So let's talk a little bit about the iGo that just came out by Pride. It's a 3-wheel travel scooter. You probably would like having this unit on a cruise. The reason for that is it's 3 wheels, so turning radius a little bit better. There's different colors it comes with. It comes in black, white, iceberg blue is what we're showing in the video, sugar plum. It is airline compliant, lithium-ion battery. As you can see, there's no basket on this. There's a little bag at the back. It's got a 275-pound weight capacity, 45.9 inches turning radius, which I don't really believe that. The overall width's 20.3, which we'll measure that at the back. So that's about right. And overall length is 44 inches, 4 miles per hour max speed. Ground clearance at the frame, mid-frame. So when they say mid-frame, it's always going to be here, which this one does have a great ground clearance because of the motor. Up to 7 miles at a 270-pound person, 9.3 miles at a 220-pound person. An extra battery can be purchased, and it's going to have a 3-year on the frame, 2 years on electronics, and a 1 year on the motor, battery, and charger. It's got a hub motor. This is your motor. So this is going to give you the highest ground clearance. I'm not going to say this is going to be the best for the grass and stuff. You see there's no basket on here. You can probably do some type of soft bag on the front. It does come with a little place underneath here that you can hold stuff. That this can clip off to or clip back. It's a little mesh topper to hold your stuff down, and a tiny little bag for some reason back here that I'm not sure what it's for. Maybe holding your charger or cell phone or something like that. There's no arms that can be added to this unit as of now. Two settings, a slow setting and a fast setting. So there's no knob to adjust the speed of it. You would have to calibrate it by operating with this. So forward, backwards. It's got a light, a horn, there's your key, and you can add mirrors to this little thing. These pop out and you can screw mirrors in. Now, folding this thing up can be a challenge when you first get it. I promise you, it does take time and practice, so don't get too frustrated with it. Take this right off so you can wash it, or if you want, it's real thin, you want a better cushion, you can probably put that here, put some Velcro. All right. It also has not only a key on and off, but it has a power button over here that can turn the whole unit completely off. So if you have grandkids, stuff like that, it won't turn on with the key. So that might be an issue for some people. They forget that turns off. And then here's your brake release. Like most scooters have a release, that's how you release it to roll it with it turned off. There's a little slot right here that you pull out. Oh, this backrest is also adjustable by loosening this, and you can bring this up and down or take this completely off. Pull that out, that folds that. Now, there's a release handle right here. If you undo that, it's not going to go down. So when you do it, you just come up a little bit with it and then bring it down. Right here is optional to take this out. This is your battery. There's a thing you pull, it pops it out, and now you can carry this onto the airplane with you. You can also charge it through here with your charger that it comes with it. It's underneath the seat now. And this has a little indicator of what your battery life is. 4 pounds maybe. I think it's a 262 watt-hour battery, TSA approved, but like I said, with the specs, 7 miles at 275. Next, what you're going to do is, again, this is can adjust down by releasing that. And I'm doing everything slow. There's a handle that comes up, and then you got to release this too. So do that at the same time, and it rolls back just like that and stays up. So that's nice. You'll like that. Now, this right now, I think we weighed at 59 pounds. That's heavy to pick up for someone. I wouldn't want to pick it up too often. But if you are going to pick it up without disassembling even more, you have to flip that, bring that up. This is about 59 pounds. But if that's too heavy, what you do is you release that, take this, and then this just comes right off. So I think the heaviest part was like 32 pounds. So that's not bad. What's nice about this fold-up design is if you are going on a cruise, if you are traveling an airplane, you wouldn't take this apart when you're going onto the plane. You would probably just leave this together like so, and have them take this onto the plane, or you would leave it unfolded and just say, hey, this is my scooter, take this, because it's still 59 pounds, so they should be able to handle that. So they could handle this and roll this like so onto the airplane. So you can just show them here. Here's that. However you want to do it, just depends on the airline. Why this is a cool feature is package and storage, and if you're on an airplane or on a cruise, this should fit under your bed with this backrest off. Like I said, this backrest can come off. So you just take that off, and this all can go, I think it's like 13 inches is what it looks like under your, so this is right at 13, below 13. So you should be able to slide this under your bed on the cruise ship. That's why you're going to love this scooter if you're going on cruises a lot. You like the 3-wheel turning radius. You can take it apart like this, but when you buy this, don't get too frustrated with it. You can figure it out. It took me a while, but not too bad once you do it. So I guess it didn't stand up unless I have that all connected. This thing around, see, for a 3-wheel, it turns okay. Just be careful if someone's poor balance, because this thing can flip over with the 3 wheels. So